Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we break down the latest and greatest products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we've got something special for all you DIY enthusiasts out there. The Chalk Paintbrush set by Modern Art Supplies, brought to you by Smart Vision CO. Now, let's dive into what makes this brush set stand out.
First off, it's designed for versatility.
Whether you're into chalk paint, milk paint, soft wax, or stenciling, this set has got you covered.
With both a large chalk paintbrush and a small round brush included,
you'll have the tools you need for both broad strokes and intricate detailing. One of the standout features of these brushes is their natural bristle construction. Not only does this ensure a smooth application and professional finish, but it also means they're durable and long-lasting.
Plus, with a nickel-plated ferrule head and birch wood handle, you can trust that these brushes are built to handle any project. Whether you're working on furniture, cabinets, walls, or home decor, these brushes deliver quality results every time. And with their high paint pickup and release, you can achieve that flawless finish with ease. No more worrying about streaks or uneven coverage. These brushes make painting a breeze.
But don't just take my word for it.
Customers are raving about these brushes, praising their quality, value, and ease of use.
From clean stenciling to smooth wax application, these brushes have earned their place as a must-have tool for any DIYer. Now, let's talk specifics. The set includes one small round wax brush and one large 2.5-inch chalk and wax paintbrush, both with natural bristles and beech wood handles. And with dimensions of 8.66 by 2.8 by 2.13 inches, they're the perfect size for tackling projects of any scale. So there you have it, folks, the Chalk Paintbrush set by Modern Art Supplies. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these brushes are sure to take your DIY projects to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy painting!